Hello, good morning, student. Today we are going to teach you lesson first. Someone sees you in moral science. Chapter number 1. Someone sees you. God is always watching. When we do something wrong, we hide it from others. We think that nobody is watching us. The true the truth is that God is always watching us. So next time you act, always remember God is watching you. When we do something, God is always watching us. So read the lesson with carefully. Once upon a time, there was a dishonest farmer. He would enter into his neighbor fields and steal some wheat. Means of the dishonest who is not true. Steal takes someone without permission. If I take just a little from each field, no one will notice it will add up to a good pile of wheat from he told himself. When a farmer want to steal some crop to other fields, uh, he think that nobody can watching us, but God is always watching us. So one dark night he entered the field to steal. He took his youngest daughter with him. Daughter, you stand guard and call out if anyone sees me. He is taking his daughter with his, yes, a guard, and he is calling her, he is call her daughter, if anyone sees me, you can call me. The man entered the first field, and we began reaping the crops. The man entered the first field and began reaping the crops. Reaping the crops means cut the crops. The little girl called out, Father, someone sees you. The man looked all around, but he saw no one, so he gathered his stolen wheat and moved to second first. Gathered means bring all together, all crops. And here is, see the picture. Here is a farmer and his daughter. He is stealing other crops cut in the field. So turn your page. Page number 6. Father, someone sees you. The child cried again. The man stopped and looked all around, but again he saw no one. He moved to third field after some time. The daughter called again, Father, someone sees you. The father stopped his reaping, looked around once again, saw no one. Why do you keep saying, someone sees me? He angrily asked his daughter. I have looked everywhere and I don't see anyone. Father, whispered the child. Someone sees you from above. Herein means of the whispered means speak softly, talk too slowly. So the moral of this story is God is always watching us be do. When we do something, we cannot think anyone not watching us, but God is always watching us. So always do the right thing. When we do the right thing, we feel good. We do not have to hide anything from anyone. So take care, class, and learn this lesson with carefully.